That is the problem we have.
As we wrap up the end of the dance season, I am working hard on choreography for our annual dance recital. One of my pieces was about sailors. It was an inspiration I couldn't escape. Even though I love teaching technique and seeing my students grow on a technical level, it is a true joy to create a piece from start to finish and see the story come alive. No idea what you're talking about.
Can I ask your bloggers to follow me on Instagram? Hi, I'm Lauren.
Are you recording? Nope.
So I'm on my way to pick up Kelly. Today and tomorrow are her recitals for her dance class that she teaches. This is the last bit of dance she has left before we head off in just a few weeks here. Yeah, it's a big moment for her because she's been teaching dance for 20 years without ever having a break. So this is interesting for her. I think it won't be long before she starts itching for it again. Hi. Tell, why don't you explain what we're doing?
We're going to Dance Extreme Academy's dance recital. I teach there.
So your class, your dance class?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Do you want to explain how you talked me into coming?
I mean, it wasn't that hard. I just said, hey, will you go to the recital with me? And you said, yeah.
It'll only be an hour.
Yeah.
Lies.
Still
Yeah,
piece.
2 days in a row. What we do for our women. Well, stay tuned. What's it? Oh, a stat.
As our cast-off date quickly approaches, we have plans to visit Minnesota to see family and friends before we leave. With only a couple work days left before our flight, we need to take full advantage of each day we have, including this pre-storm Satori bath.
Or as some may call it, unnecessary clickbait.
I think we did it.
Yeah, I think we did good.
We did it.
This is the last bit right here. Look at that nasty dirty water coming out of it. Like Cinderella.
Yes. I think she's good. Just one of our many last-minute repairs includes a tear in our mainsail. Here we remove the sail so it can be repaired while we are in Minnesota.
Okay.
What?
You're cute.
Delicate.
Delicate. Which way's the wind going? Okay. I'm gonna take these reefing blocks off. Probably with the pliers. is the problem we have. This is why we're taking the sail down. Okay. So the problem we have with this second reefing line right here in our cheek block, which is back, I don't know, 6-7 inches from the mast. There's really no good place to put it here unless we move it all the way up here, which is a possibility. So when this thing gets pulled tight, it's pulling away from that car. And this car, I think maybe it's because this is too close. If that car was disconnected or moved up, then we might not have this problem. But that's what we got to talk to Keith about, because he'll know the best solution for this. This is what we're gonna have to do if there's ever a hurricane coming.
Take the sail down.
Yep. So we have a fully battened mainsail, which means these battens run all the way back to front. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we got to take these out.
Arthur. Arthur.
So there's Velcro in here, and this basically peels the Velcro off so you can pull it out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. You take that. That's it. That's what it looks like. Just a long piece of fiberglass.
You know not to slide your hands along it, right?
Oh yeah, it's like insulation.
Yeah. Okay.
You get
I
all
just-
the
I
little
just-
pieces. Yeah, forgot. First thing we gotta do is get all these slid out so that when we drop it, we can transfer it to the dock and then flake it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Beautiful sail burrito. That's awesome. Thanks, Susan. Thanks, Jeff. Sailing SV Ohana right here. To the rescue.
The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at Prince Louis as he arrives to visit his brother, the king. As expected, King Arthur is filled with joy at his siblings' presence. But this joy is short-lived. It doesn't take long for the prince to begin his ritual of attention-seeking. Even though Arthur was the rightful heir to their father's throne, Prince Louis consistently stole the spotlight. After chewing up the queen's favorite shoes, Louis placed the blame on his unsuspecting brother. Louis once made a poo in the castle rug, with a sign that said, "Arthur was here." After heroically rescuing a baby bird that fell from its nest, Arthur was horrified when he discovered that Louis had taken credit. But the worst, by far, was when Louis stole Arthur's date on the night of their senior prom. An unforgivable act. But the king and the prince are brothers above all else, and always make up in the end. Well, the stepbrothers. Well, this is awkward. One last thing before we go. Teach Kelly how to fly our new drone. The DJI Mavic Pro. This thing is awesome. Okay. I go left and right on that same joystick. It spins it. Try and land it. Get it on the carpet. Yeah! Yay! Good job. Yeah, you did good.
Yay! First flying. That was awesome.
That was awesome. Good job.
Thanks. That's
Yeah,
flying
you
a
look
drone.
beautiful.
Thank you.
There's gonna be so many nerds that are gonna be in love with this video.
We're on our way to Duluth, and we're gonna go meet our first patron.
Russell. We're gonna go meet Russell, our very first patron. We're gonna stop by and have a beer with him and just meet him.
That'd be awesome.
About an hour away.
Yep.
Russell. Russell the love muscle.
I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.